On to Module 5, Adobe Express Integrations. In this module, we're going to cover ideation and content generation using ChatGPT, managing and storing your assets with Google Drive, editing and sharing documents in Adobe Acrobat, publishing and integrating video content in YouTube, and building a creative and efficient workflow across Adobe Express integrates with ChatGPT to help you in your creative workflow. Let me show you how it works. Click the plus sign, go to More, and choose Adobe Express. If you don't already have it installed in your ChatGPT, you would need to add it here. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to create a pool party flyer and paste that prompt right into ChatGPT. Then send the prompt and let it work its magic. Voila, we have our pool party flyer with the help of Adobe Express combined with the ChatGPT integration. If we want to edit this image, we can click on this right in ChatGPT and it's going to open up in Adobe Express. Now we're going to open it in Adobe Express. And now this is just a static image, but we still can add our information here. So how I would do that is to grab a rectangle or a square shape, insert it onto my canvas, make it the proper length and width. We're going to pick up this color directly from our flyer we made, and then we're going to cover up that placeholder text. We can also get rid of the outline on our shape. Now we can add our text. I want this text to be that same yellow as the text in the flyer. You can use the dropper to get the precise color, like right here. Your flyer is ready to go. You've edited what you needed to edit, and you're going to download it as a PNG or a JPG or even a PDF. Staying in this screen, we're going to go down to add-ons, which is the bottom icon on the left side. Search add-ons for Google Drive. It is a free add-on, and you're going to click add. And you see you can sign into Google Drive right here. I won't sign into my personal Google Drive on the video, but once you sign in, you will be able to save this and everything else that you desire to save from Adobe Express right in your Google Drive. And we're going to search for YouTube. Okay, so add, and then click on that add button. You get to search for videos on YouTube. So if you want to search pool party playlist is what we're going to search. And then you can click on something directly from YouTube and insert a link or insert a thumbnail. Insert a thumbnail right here or anywhere in the image, or we can just decide we don't want an image to be inserted. We can just insert a link. Once you export this we will be able to link right to that playlist. So let's open it up, and as you can see, our link is right here, and it would open that pool party playlist that we just inserted. Google Drive and YouTube link are just a few of the integrations that are available in Adobe Express. There are hundreds of different integrations that you can use to streamline your workflow and make things more organized. Now let's do a quick quiz. How do you get to integrations in Adobe Express? A, click the search icon in the top left. B, click the add-ons in the bottom left. Or C, both A and B. Number 2, true or false? You can click the ChatGPT button inside of Adobe Express to use this integration. A for true, B for false. Number 3, the following is one use case for exporting your Adobe Express designs to Adobe Acrobat. A, create a video in Adobe Acrobat. B, add a hyperlink to an image. C, add GIFs and images. I'm going to let the timer run out, and then we'll check out our answers. And here we have our answers. Number 1, the answer is both A and B. You can either click the search icon or you can click add-ons on the bottom left once you are inside a project. Number 2 is false. You cannot click a ChatGPT button inside of Adobe Express. You need to start off in ChatGPT and then click your Adobe Express integration. Number 3 is B. You would use Adobe Express exported images in Acrobat to insert a hyperlink on an image. That concludes Build, Design, Sell, Adobe Express for creators and entrepreneurs. I hope you found this informative. If you are interested in any of the resources, they will be linked at the bottom of Module 5. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next class.